Hello my friend, welcome back to my messy house. Today I have the urge to purge and we are getting it all done for the ultimate homemaking motivation. We are cleaning, decluttering, I'm sharing a grocery haul, finally taking down all of my Easter decor, as well as I'm sharing a fun DIY project that I have coming up as I truly hit the lottery with finding something on the side of the road, and I'm gonna need your help, so stay tuned and vote down below in the comments when the time comes. Additionally, everyone was home this day, so you might see some people popping in here and there, but we're still getting it done. We are starting off with tidying and cleaning up in the kitchen. We're gonna be emptying the dishwasher, the sink, and more. I hope today's video truly inspires you to get up and tackle your mess and clean along with me today. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning and homemaking motivational videos. If you have some dishes that need to get done, I'd love for you to join me in doing them right now. Thank you for taking some time today and spending it here with me. Let me know in the comments if you are here for the cleaning motivation today or if you are up and cleaning along with me. We're going to use some editing magic to tidy up the counter so we can get the dishes put in the dishwasher and then hand wash all of my caraway pots and pans. I would love to know, do you have a dishwasher or do you wash your dishes by hand? Okay, I seriously cannot function when my house is trashed. So I'm going to unpack the groceries now, maybe give you guys like a quick little grocery haul of some of the things that I got, as again, we are kind of doing two different diets here in our house. We are doing a carnivore diet and then my kids are doing a just eat real food diet. So very, very minimal packaged things as I'm trying to do everything homemade. So let me show you what we got from the grocery store.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no.
Okay, so my husband really likes drinking these. They are the Pellegrino carbonated natural mineral water. So I buy a big case of them for him, and yeah, he'll drink those every single day and having like a beer or something. This is everything that we got for groceries. I would love for you to put your guesses down below of how much all of this costs and that Pellegrino. Leave your guesses down below and I will tell you after the haul how much we spent. So I got some jalapenos for guacamole. I've been eating guacamole literally just off of the spoon because there's so many good healthy fats in it and I just really have been loving it lately. I got the girls some berries, so just some blueberries and then 2 things of raspberries. They didn't have much for organic today, so we did not get organic today. I got some yellow peaches. The girls are obsessed with peaches and apples, but they didn't have the apples that we normally get. And then I got 4 peppers total, the organic ones. I got this cereal as like a treat, basically. Our kids do not eat cereal on a day-to-day basis, and prior to having cereal, they actually have to have eggs. It's kind of like a rule that we have in our house because obviously it's just, you know, full of sugar and not very healthy for you. So we always want to make sure that we are giving them eggs first and then we give them that after as, again, kind of like a little treat. I got 5 sweet potatoes, I got some cucumbers, broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, green beans. They had cheese strings on sale, so I got some for my kids for school. I got a little thing of butter because I didn't know how much butter we had here at the house, as I just bought like 8 of them recently. On the carnivore diet, you eat a lot of butter. I got some garlic. There was a recipe that my husband wanted to make the other day that called for garlic, and we didn't have any because we've been doing the carnivore diet and it does not allow garlic on it, on like the strict one. But now we are opening our horizons and doing more so like the keto carnivore. So we will have some garlic, bacon, enough said. It's delicious. Then we have some onions. I've been using this whipping cream just to kind of spice things up in a mid-afternoon coffee. And then kielbasa sausage. I know this is not the healthiest thing. It's packaged and there's probably nitrates and stuff in it. Yep, there is, but you know what? That's okay. You win some, you lose some. This is what I'm losing on, and that's okay. It's not like we're eating it like every day. So again, whatever. Cantaloupe was on sale, and then we have some of this yogurt. I love this silk yogurt. I was buying like the little tiny things, and they are like $5 for 4 of them, or you can get this big tub now that I feel like it's fairly new because they never used to have all of these flavors before. So now I've started buying the big tubs and giving it to the kids as an afternoon snack. We just got back from our holistic doctor, and none of us are supposed to really have cow's milk. And so I've been having this yogurt for a really, really long time. I obviously have not had any lately, but my kids really like it. So I thought it would be a great alternative to regular yogurt. So I got the strawberry raspberry one and then 2 of the cherry because we like the cherry one is so good. And then I got some Kicking Horse coffee and 2 things of organic peas. So the thing about the peas is our freezer actually, well, it didn't break, but my husband has been working tirelessly building our mudroom, and he needed like all of the outlets for like all the tools. So he was running like a planer and like, I don't even know what else. And so because of that, he had to unplug our freezer and he forgot to plug it back in, and all of our vegetables went bad. So that was pretty awful. Thankfully, all of our meat was good. Literally, thank the Lord, that would have been like $1,000 in meat. So it was all good, but yeah, so I just needed to do a little stock up on those. They were on sale. We don't eat a lot of frozen veggies. Frozen peas is one of the only things that I really buy, and sometimes frozen spinach for when I'm making like a spinach dip. It's really handy to have. But the peas is what I usually put in like a shepherd's pie or something like that. And other than that, we eat a lot of like broccoli and the green beans, which is why it's literally on like every single haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff put away. If you were right, the total for the groceries was $191.91. So 200 bucks for nothing.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you.
Okay, I know I am like a total minimalist when it comes to decor, and there's not a lot of easier decor to take down, but it felt so good to take it down and just to get my counters clutter free again. I do want to, expand my spring and Easter decor collection, which I've talked about one day here, but I just haven't quite found the right pieces that I absolutely love and need to have. After decluttering my whole house last year in my Messy to Minimal series, which if you haven't seen that and you need help decluttering, seriously go watch it. There is some extreme decluttering motivation there. But I am just being more intentional about what I'm allowing into our home so it doesn't become total chaos again. Additionally, I don't want to buy what's trending, Truthfully, I'm really on the year of me, self-discovery, lots of changes, and just trying to not get caught up with the Joneses, just kind of doing my own thing. Like, we don't have an all-white kitchen, we have a smaller, more minimal home, and while I love the homes that I see all over Pinterest and Instagram, I am very grateful for our house. And I say all of this to you as a gentle reminder to do what you love in your home. Stop trying to follow all of these trends and the consumerism world of you need to be more, have more, do more, buy more, and really just try to find gratitude in what you currently have.
Yeah, baby, I got you. I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust, should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me.
Oh my goodness. So also I found these chairs on the side of the road on my way to get groceries, and I had to stop and get them. So let me take them out and kind of show you. I truly feel like I won the lottery with these chairs. I have been wanting chairs like this, like wooden chairs, for honestly like a year, and they do have some detailing that I might try and like fill, but I had the thought of painting these bad boys black for when I do like a dining room makeover. I have been, again, eyeing up chairs. I will put a little thing on the screen here, but these are in excellent condition, like real wood, and I can't even believe it. Got them for free, side of the road. I know some people might judge me for that, but it's okay. Let me know if you've ever picked something up off the side of the road because you just like couldn't deal. So I do have 4 of them, and I truly don't think I have ever whipped a Yui so fast in my life. I was driving on the opposite side of the road, and I like literally thought someone else on the right side of the road was going to get it before I would. But they came home with me. I would love to know what you guys would do. Do you think I should leave them wooden or paint them black like I had originally planned? Also, if any of you DIY, is it possible to cover that up with just like, I don't know, some wood filler and then sand it down? I don't know. And then those round knobs here where the baluster is attached. I don't know. See if we can modernize these a little bit. But they're also super vintage, so I'm kind of digging it too. You guys, they're just stunning. I'm sorry, I'll stop talking about them, but look at how beautiful they are. Thought I would show you that little sneak peek at a project that will be coming. I have no idea when, because that project's probably not happening for a while, but you get the gist.
Cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now.
Okay, so I talked about in my last video how I really wanted to declutter these drawers. I have not even opened these up, so like, I apologize in advance. But, oh, yeah, see? Like, stuff to the brim and stuffed to the brim. So, we got to get rid of some things in here, and yeah, I don't know what's in here. Pretty sure it's all just like crafts and stuff like that. That's what is supposed to be in here. So we're gonna go ahead, empty them out as always when we are decluttering or working on any project, and then sort in different piles. Remember the 3 piles: we keep, donate, or trash, and like if it goes to a different home. So those are kind of the 3 piles. Let's do it.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help
Trust the process. It gets worse before it gets better. What is a small area of your home that you need to declutter? I'd love for you to tackle it with me right now. Maybe it's a junk drawer in your kitchen. Maybe you have a basket that's driving you crazy, or an area like this that I'm tackling. Pick one small task and take a few minutes to sort through it with me. Decluttering does not need to totally consume you. I know I had that notion before, but really 15 minutes a day is all you need to completely transform your house. And if you need some extra help or motivation, grab my 30-day simple home decluttering guide. It is linked down below in the description, or again, head to my channel and search for my Messy to Minimal series or my Urge to Purge. Both of those are sure to help get you motivated when it comes to decluttering.
Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you.
Okay, so now we have like all the crayons, stickers, you know, coloring books, that sort of thing in here. And then over here is our writing boards, and then those tablets, which I'm keeping for now. Probably could get rid of them as we never play with them. Everything else is either being decluttered or going to the right home in their bedroom closet.